model, 61-plate Peugeot Partner 1.6 HDI 90850 SL1 starts, drives fine, needs power steering pump. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 112688. MOT, the 5th of December 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 ATED4 E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The power steering pump will need replacing as the steering is heavier than normal, still starts and drives fine, straightforward, simple bolt-on repair. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.